Welcome to this tutorial on Xero Bank Reconciliation, a crucial process that helps you ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. Bank reconciliation is the process of matching your Xero account transactions with your actual bank statements to identify any discrepancies or missing transactions. To start the reconciliation process, navigate to the Accounting tab in Xero and select Bank Accounts. Choose the account you want to reconcile and click on the Reconcile tab. You will need to enter the statement date and the ending balance from your bank statement. Next, Xero will display a list of transactions that have been reconciled and those that are still pending. You can use the Reconcile tab to match the transactions in Xero with the ones on your bank statement. If a transaction is missing from Xero, you can add it by clicking on the Add Transaction button. When reconciling transactions, it is essential to ensure that the dates and amounts match exactly. If you find any discrepancies, you can use the Find and Match tool to locate the transaction in Xero. This tool allows you to search for transactions based on the date, amount, and description. Best practice is to reconcile your bank accounts regularly, ideally weekly or monthly, to prevent errors and discrepancies from building up. It is also essential to keep your bank statements and reconciliation reports for auditing purposes. In Xero, you can also use the Statement Import feature to upload your bank statements directly into the system. This feature saves time and reduces the risk of errors. To use this feature, navigate to the Bank Accounts tab and select the Import Statement option. In conclusion, Xero Bank Reconciliation is a straightforward process that helps you maintain accurate financial records. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your financial data is reliable and up to date. Regular reconciliation also helps you identify any errors or discrepancies, allowing you to take corrective action and prevent financial losses.